Okay. Hey guys, it's Mariana and welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't posted in a second. I haven't seen y'all since I was like 21. Lots happened. I turned 22. Other than that, it's pretty much the same. But I did do a little bit of shopping, so here we are, another year doing a July summer haul from a whole bunch of places. By a whole bunch of places, I mean mostly Shein, TJ Maxx, and Bath & Body Works. And guys, I just have to show you what I got. Also, if you hear like a huffing and puffing, there's like a poochie right here. He's under a blanket. But that's him. That's his ear. He's just gonna chill there because he's tired. So anyways, oh my god, what should I get started with? Okay, I think I'm gonna get started with Bath & Body Works just because it's like this smallest amount of stuff that I got. So Bath & Body Works were doing their like semi-annual like summer sale or something, and bitch, oh my god, I got some stuff and I just had to show y'all. I did get this watermelon lemonade gentle foaming hand soap, if y'all can see that. There you go. And it smells so good. Juicy watermelon sweet Meyer lemon. Dude, I don't even know what to tell you. I just love the scent, so I had to get the hand soap. And it just makes me truly happy every time I wash my hands. I also got this candle, and bitch, let me fucking tell you how good this smells. This is the Aloha Kiwi Passion Fruit. It looks like that. It has this cute little geometrical design, and it smells like a fruity summer day, and it makes me... Hello? Do you need help? You want to get out? You just wanted to get out of the blanket? Okay. Anyways, this smells so good. I've been obsessed with it. I really like candles. When your girl gets more money, I just want to have all the candles all the time. And this one has fragrance notes of tropical passion fruit, radiant kiwi, juicy pineapple with essential oils. And dude, it's just, I can't even explain it. It's like fruity. It does remind me of like some summer, like a tropical vacation, maybe like a tropical drink, like a Bahama Mama. I don't know. It's like one of those fucking drinks that you'll find in a cruise. This is what this smells like. It smells like heaven, and I think this is my new favorite candle. And it's really interesting because I usually go for sweeter scents because I really love the sweets, but fruity scents are just beautifully heaven. I literally just lit this yesterday, so it's too great. Also, one thing that I'm so happy they brought back, so one of my favorite Bath & Body Works perfumes is this one. It's called Love and Sunshine. Yeah, it's called Love and Sunshine. It has like a few daisies on it. And I'm not gonna lie, like I think I showed this perfume last year and I was kind of obsessed with it. And it was like my favorite perfume for the longest time. And then it got discontinued. And then they brought it back for the semi-annual sale, at least at the one I went to. So they have this now and I'm so happy. I haven't used it yet because I'm waiting for my other one to finish. But bitch, happiness in a bottle. This is what it smells like. It smells like love and sunshine. All these stuff I got really cheap. I didn't have all my Bath & Body Works coupons, which I didn't think I was going to the mall that day, so I didn't bring them with me. But honestly, like all of this was like under 30 bucks. And just to let y'all know, for reference, normally their 3-wick candles are about $24.50. So if I spent under 30 bucks for all of this, y'all know that shit was a good sale. Just saying. And then I also got some stuff from TJ Maxx, and they're really cute. Okay, so I got this almost like it's a Hydra Peak bottle. It's pink, and this is one of those bottles that keeps cold drinks cold for 24 hours and hot drinks hot for 12 hours. I can't say that it keeps hot drinks hot for 12 hours because I don't use it for hot drinks. I usually just use it for water. It helps me drink a lot of water, mostly because I like my water fucking cold. but it does last a really long time. I'll put ice on it at the end of the night, and by the time I wake up in the morning, there's still like ice in it, which is like really impressive for me. I also went to Atlanta recently, which I will be posting a video about that soon, and I took this with me when I went to Stone Mountain Park, which is this this park thing, and it was great because it was fucking hot and we staying hydrated. So this was great. I love it. It was about $10. Honestly, it was worth it. I use it all the time. So I also happen to consistently wear a lot of black. I don't know if y'all notice. I think I wear a lot of black as well in my videos as well. I'm currently wearing a black shirt. I'm wearing black shorts. It's fine. But my boyfriend helped me and he was like, we're gonna try to wean you off the black clothing. So I was really hesitant about some of these outfits, but honestly they're so fucking cute. So let me show you. I got these super cute high-waisted shorts. They're this blue. They have like, it's kind of like distressed, ripped kind of thing. They fit me perfectly, which I usually don't really like super high-waisted shorts because I'm like, I don't want it to be like high waist, like super short, but these feel super comfortable. And also like for me, like I don't really like wearing like jean stuff when I'm like just chilling at the house, but this one like I can literally just put on and I feel super comfortable because it's loose here, you know, it's not too short. It's honestly pretty perfect. And then with those shorts, it came with this little like florally belt, but honestly I kind of been using it as like a headband instead because I like it better like that. So I'm actually gonna put it on just to show y'all. I have Jonas Brothers songs stuck in my head, so like what's new? I also might be seeing them recently, so hopefully it's in the concert's in 3 weeks. I don't know yet. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I think it's super cute. Oh, I like to point out those were like $13, so it's pretty good. Okay, I also got this shirt. It is a white button down, like cropped with a little tie in the front shirt. It's white with little black palm trees all over it. And it's so fucking cute. This gives me such a little summery vibe. It's super flowy, super comfortable. It's a very breathable material, you know. It is kind of see-through, but it's not like super dramatic where you can see like the entire like design of your bra if you're wearing one, you know. It would just be like, oh, this girl is like wearing a bra, if that's how you choose to live your life. Oh, I love it. Your girl works it. I'm just obsessed. That was also like $13. And then I know it's hot outside, especially in Florida. Bitch, it's been so fucking hot in Florida. It's kind of ridiculous. But besides the point, I got this shirt. It's originally $10, but I got it for $8. And it's this yellow, again, it's like a crop top. It has this like tie in the front where you can like make it like show a bit more skin if you're into that, you know. It's long sleeve. It's surprisingly pretty thin as well. It's yellow. It's a yellow shirt with black and white stripes. It's so cute, and honestly it makes your girl look bomb as fuck. It just looks really great. Honestly, it's one of those shirts that like is well fitted on you, but it's not super fitted where you're like kind of like uncomfortable that you feel like people are like staring at you. So I really loved this one a lot. And then your girl got some stuff from Shein. So if you have the Shein app, they consistently do free shipping, which I love because it makes really things that are like super cheap like not that expensive, you know. So I got some stuff. I got this, oh guys, I love sunflowers. I don't know if you can see, but I had this like little sunflower bouquet there. And I got, hi honey, you okay? All right, so I got this two-piece outfit. I think it was like $13-14, and it's black. It has all these little sunflowers on it. This is the bottom, and then this is the top. So it's like that. It's super fucking cute. It has a little like thing in the back. It also has these like really long straps where you can essentially just like wrap it around your body. I got this in a size medium, which was kind of perfect for me. Also, like, the shorts are not too short. It's super, like, it's a super flowy material. It's super comfortable. So cute. It's not too thick. It's a perfect, like, summer outfit, I think, for me. Or for anyone. I really was, like, loving all the sunflower pics that Shein usually has, so that was great. On the topic of sunflowers, I also got this little postery thing. I don't know what it's called, but it came in rolled up like this. I was like, man, it's not gonna be that big, because I think this was only like $2. Yeah, dude, $2 fucking dollars. And this is the little portrait, and it's so pretty. It has this beautiful sunset in the back with the field of sunflowers. Honestly, I just want to go to a sunflower field. I really like it. It's almost like a painting material. I kind of just like obsessed with it. I love it. What can I say? I also got these two hanger things. They are supposed to, here, let me take, I actually got 4. 2 of them are currently being in use, but I got this, and it's basically where you can put these 2 little hooks through here, and you put your clothes like this, and then you drop it like that, your hanger, so it helps with a lot of space in your closet, space issues. So it's really great. It honestly, like, minimized the space in my closet by a bunch. And I think these were like $1 or $2. So Shein just has really good prices. I'm honestly in love with it. I kind of check the app like every day. I don't know. I have a problem. Even though I'm not consistently buying stuff, even though my heart does truly want it, but it's really convenient. What more could you ask for? And the last thing I'm gonna show you guys for today is this little, like, flag banner thing. I also got from Shein, and it just says, I just want to travel the world. Looks like that. Honestly, again, I think this was less than $10. I, for the life of me, can't remember, but I know I spent all on this, like, not that much money. Yeah, and this one is a fat fucking mood. Super cute. Just, like, helps tie in my room a bit together. And yeah, it's great. So yeah, that's all the stuff I have for you guys today. This has been another great July summer haul. I might as well do one of these like every year. So I think you guys should subscribe so you guys can stay tuned to see more of those. I also have some awesome traveling footage that I am gonna edit and post from Atlanta, that I went there for a weekend. I fucking saw a panda and I literally cried. It was a very emotional time for me. It was literally the best day of my life. It was great. So if you guys want to watch more of it, or more of my, like, ridiculous videos that I have no idea what type of content I haven't put out, please subscribe down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see all of you beautiful people of the internet next time.